Hi, how are you? I'm not able to hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, now I can. How are you?
Yes, I can hear you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, I'm good. You can call me Neha.
Okay. My name is Ram. I am from Telangana.
Yes, yes,
I have
I read
complete.
that.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed graduation, and now I am pursuing MSc Yoga Therapy in Rajasthan.
Okay, that's great, that's great. So is it a
Yeah,
distance
yeah.
course or is it a regular course, Ram?
No, no, it is regular course, and I am going online classes every day.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, yeah.
So is the college opening anytime soon? Or will it be online
Maybe
only?
it might have. It might open may this month last week they informed me, but
Okay,
when will happen that we don't know. I am waiting for that.
okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So since we're here today, did you go through the session material that you received, that we received before the class, Ram? Did you check that?
No, ma'am, I'm not
Okay.
checked that. Yeah, I didn't check
No
that.
problem. No problem. No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we have. Tell me what do you who's your favorite celebrity? Do you watch movies, serials,
Yes, ma'am.
or
Yes, ma'am. My favorite, what did you say?
favorite celebrity, TV or movie celebrity, any actor, any
Oh, yes, ma'am.
like
My favorite actor, Prabhas.
Prabhas. Okay, I
Yeah,
like him too.
yeah.
So, which is your favorite movie of Prabhas?
Bahubali. Bahubali 2.
One, part two.
Yeah, 2, ma'am. Bahubali 2.
Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah,
even I like the part two better.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, what do you think? Would you like, just in case if you're a celebrity for a day, how do you think how different will your life be from now?
What name? One, did you say
If
one?
you if you get a celebrity status for a day, like you are this person who everybody worships, who everybody likes, like Prabhas.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
what is your take on that? How will you feel? What all will you do for that one day?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is breaking little bit, ma'am. I
No problem.
can't,
I'll say it
uh,
again.
I can't hear properly your voice.
Can you? Am I audible now?
Yes,
Clear?
now okay, ma'am. Now okay.
Okay. I was saying, let's assume that for one day you become Prabhas.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So how will your day?
I don't want to become. I don't want to become Prabhas, but
You
I
like
like
Prabhas.
Prabhas. Yeah, yeah.
So why not for a day? Try it. No, just imagine how will it be. What will you do? Just
Uh,
imagine. It's imagination
I'm not.
only, Ram.
Yes, yes. I am not that much. I don't have that much acting, everything. Just I'm a simple person.
I know you're a simple person. I'm just asking you to imagine. Use your creativity. You can act, your
Just,
worship,
just
everything.
yeah, 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 yeah. Only imagination. I
Yes,
do that
only
one.
imagine.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
So
It is
how would
possible.
you dare me?
Only possible for me imagination like this only.
Yes, I'm very sure. But what will you do? Like if you are at that level, where people look up to you, they follow you. So what all will you do if people do that? What will you do for that one day?
Oh, what will I do now, ma'am?
Yeah, yes. If you are a celebrity for a day, celebrity is a person who's celebrated by the common people, right? For example, actors and
Yes,
everybody.
yes.
So if you're a celebrity for a
Not
day,
everyone, ma'am. Not
not
everyone.
everyone. Rajnikant is there,
Yeah, yeah.
Prabhas is there, Amitabh Bachchan there is there, then Shah Rukh Khan is there,
They
and
became poor family.
yes,
They all
yes,
became, yeah,
yes. So, what will you
yeah.
do if you become a celebrity one day for a day? How will you? What all will you
I
do
want I will make one good film.
in a
And
day?
yeah, one
Okay,
day. And mm, uh, I will act very well in that movie.
okay,
And I will give good suggestions, how to give feed uh, for common peoples, means poor people. And
okay.
yeah. Did you watch that Master movie, ma'am? Master
No,
movie.
not yet, not yet, not yet. I don't understand the language,
Like
so
that
I have to.
only. I give like that only.
Okay, I don't understand South Indian languages, so I need to wait for a dubbed version or with subtitles. I can watch it.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
That is dubbed movie. I think in Hindi also available.
Okay, I'll check. I'll definitely check today. So let me add it to my to-do list. I will check the movie
Yeah.
master.
Okay, okay. It is
I've seen
awesome
Kabali.
movie also.
Kabali I've seen
Yeah.
dubbed, and I'm yet to see K3 KG3 or K3G. What is the movie? KG3, I
KGF,
think.
KGF, KGF
KGF,
2.
KGF.
Yeah.
I am yet to see it.
Yes movie. Yes movie.
Yash movie,
Hero.
yes.
Yeah. Yes.
I like
Yes.
NTR, Junior NTR also. I like him also. His
Yeah.
acting is also.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so do you feel that the life of a celebrity is much different than normal people?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it different?
Because everyone only what is that? Whoever have background, they only become actors.
Celebrity. Okay.
Yeah,
Nowadays.
actor and
Earlier it wasn't
celebrity.
like that.
Nowadays, yeah,
Yeah,
everywhere, not only here,
everywhere. Yeah.
but they can't see our knowledge, our
Okay.
acting, real
Okay.
acting, and our powers, everything. They can't see.
So that is their professional life. How do you think their personal life is different?
I don't know.
Like you and I are just walking on the road. We can just walk on the road, right? And have a good time on the
Yeah.
beach. These people cannot do that. For this, they have to go out of the country. Because if they do it here, they will always be surrounded by
Yes.
people asking them for autographs and everything, right?
Yes. Really.
Right? I liked your
Yeah.
thought that if you will become a celebrity for a day, you will think about poor people. I really like that. You said, no, I will try and feed poor people. So I like that thought.
Okay, of course. Maybe might.
Okay.
Yeah.
So shall I just share a few corrections, Ram? Now we've been talking for some time. Shall I
Yeah.
share a few corrections with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start with what you just said. Might and maybe we will not use together because they mean
Yeah.
the same.
Only one might.
Only one. Huh.
Yeah.
Only
I know.
one.
I know. Just I do one mistake. Just now I
No,
remember that.
no problem. No problem. We're
Yeah,
here.
I
We're
will.
here. We're here. We're here to do away with all the mistakes. That's what we're here for. Don't
Yeah.
worry.
Yeah.
I like your confidence. We're talking for the first time today, and you have been able to talk to me nicely. I really
Yeah.
respect that. I'd like that. That is a good job you've done.
Yeah.
And there was knowledgeable. Say knowledgeable again.
Na-
Knowledge word.
knowledge word.
Knowledge.
Yeah. Knowledge.
Yes, you said it in a different way. It is knowledge. Okay. We don't
Yeah.
speak the W in between. We don't stress on it. It's knowledge.
Knowledge.
Yeah, knowledge.
Yeah.
And there are a few connectors wherein you are not able to find the right word, but that's okay. You thought of the word and you completed the sentence. I'm okay with it.
Yeah.
The only way we can change is if we also start thinking in English,
Yes, ma'am.
right? When we speak in our own regional language, we're speaking and thinking in the same language, right? So
Yes.
the
Yes.
words come up automatically. So just
Yes.
try and make a few small changes in your daily routine. Like when I am in like in Hindi, if I say मैं मन में सोचूं मुझे प्यास लग रही है, ठीक है, उसकी जगह मैं ये सोच सकती
I
हूँ I
don't
am
know.
feeling
I don't know
thirsty.
Hindi. I don't know
You don't
Hindi.
know Hindi? Okay,
Yeah.
like you want to drink
I
water.
am
Okay,
planning to
what?
learn. I am planning to learn.
Good, good, good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even I would
Because
like to.
because I know Kannada, Malayalam,
Okay,
Telugu.
okay,
Uh,
okay,
I am a multilingual person.
okay. That's
I
great.
know four languages. Telugu also.
Okay,
I am
I know
planning to
three.
learn Hindi language, but not this time. Whenever I will go there my university. Uh, they
Okay,
will they will teach me.
that's
Yeah,
great.
maybe.
That's
Yes.
great. I know three languages: English, Hindi, and Punjabi. So,
Wow.
yeah.
Great.
So that's basically where you reside, right? You're living in South India. I'm living in North India. So that's how
Yeah,
we pick
that's
up our
good.
languages.
That's
Okay.
good,
So
man.
what I was saying was like if you feel like drinking water, okay. So
Yeah.
instead of thinking it in your own language, you can think that I am feeling thirsty, okay,
Yes. Yes.
or
I
I
know.
want
I
to
know
drink
this one.
water. So if you start thinking like that, no, then next
Can
words will start coming in your mind.
yes, ma'am. Can you repeat again?
Yes, I was saying when you start thinking like that, then when you're talking in English, the next word will immediately come to your mind, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Means whenever I have thirsty, I
Huh.
will.
Whenever,
Can you give the glass of water?
huh.
Uh,
Can, obviously he can. Can is not the right word. It would be
please.
would or
This
could.
is this is also correct, na, ma'am. Please give the glass of water. This is also
Yes.
correct.
Please give me the glass of water.
Please give me the glass of water.
Yes. If the glass is nearby. If he has to get it from somewhere, please give me a glass of water.
Yes.
Okay? Because if something is nearby
I
you,
have I have one doubt.
yes, yes, please.
Which is the more polite word? More
Okay.
polite word. Yeah. Could, would, should, can. Which is the more polite word?
Okay. I'll clear that for you, Ram. See, can is used for ability mostly.
Ability.
Like I
Yeah. Yeah.
can
Yeah.
walk. Obviously, I can
Strength.
walk. Can. Whatever action I can do. Okay, I
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
walk, I can cook. Okay? No,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then,
I understood. TK means okay.
that's good. You're a
because
fast learner.
because many times I heard my online classes time.
Okay.
TK that.
So that's nice. You're learning two languages at the same
Yeah.
time. So coming back to the question, could or would can be used for permission. Could you
Yeah.
could you pass me a glass of water, or would you please pass me a glass of water? Okay, and
Yeah.
also would is a better word because would you can use everywhere. Would you like to go to the movies? Again,
Yeah.
you cannot use could there, okay? Because could can only be used with an action form of asking water,
Yeah.
like of asking
Yes.
of a work to be done. Like, could you cook
Yes.
for me? Could you pass me the water bottle? Okay, could you go to the market? Okay,
Yes. Yes.
and also it can be used in the current situation for a work which is to be done just now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, would can be used for now also, and it can be used for future use also. Like, would you like to go to the movies tomorrow? Okay,
Okay.
would it be okay if I get my friend also?
When do
Like,
I use could? When do I use could?
could, if you're asking for an action to be done in that moment. Okay. Could
Okay.
you
Yeah,
pass
yeah,
me the glass of water? Okay. Could you cook,
yeah.
could you cook sambar rice today for me? Okay.
It is present.
Yeah, in
Present.
present.
We should use present and future also, I think.
Future, you should use would. Would you like to, would you like to go to the movie tomorrow? Would it be okay if we play football tomorrow? Then could cannot be used there.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Uh,
See, it will
uh,
not sound
uh,
really good. It will not sound
yeah.
good if I say could. And you can
Okay,
use
okay.
could for when you're asking something from somebody else. Could I borrow that book from you? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The material which has been sent to you today, just check that
Yes.
document. It has the usage of, I'm glad you've asked me this question today because it
Yeah,
has
yeah.
the examples of all the modal verbs. These are called modal verbs,
Yes.
okay? Can, could, would, and should,
Yes. Okay.
okay? Otherwise, there is a YouTube video also for the same, and it is there on Instagram also on Club Bingo's page. There's a proper
Okay.
explanation of these four words there, okay?
Yeah.
Right?
What do you
So,
do, ma'am? What do you do, ma'am?
Ram, as of now, due to pandemic, I'm working with Flipingo. That's
Yeah,
all
yeah.
that I'm doing these days.
You are from?
Otherwise, I'm from Himachal.
Okay. Okay.
So I was working earlier with the Tech Mahindra, but as of now, I'm just working with Flipingo. I'm liking it.
Wow.
It is good to talk to people. It is
Yeah, yeah.
good to help people, and you know, we've been talking for the first time, and I really like your confidence. You have a good thing going here, Ram. You're learning quickly.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah.
I was saying, you were talking about celebrities. So, do you watch any English web series or anything that you
Yeah.
watched recently? Which one?
English web series. What?
Yeah, web
What?
series. These
Yeah.
series are there, no, on Netflix. Like Money Heist is there. Then there are older series like Friends. Have you watched any of these?
Yes, ma'am. One time, but I don't know. Just I visited
No
there.
problem. No problem.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem. I'm just asking you. No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
What I was trying
Okay,
to say
okay.
was that with